Hey guys, this is Sprite from Conde Systems, and today I'm going to be showing you some tips and tricks on how to get the peak performance out of your bottle of Pro Spray. Because we are using a spray adhesive, sometimes that glue will clog your nozzle, as you can see here. That clogged nozzle may cause water spots, and instead of getting a fine mist, it will ruin your transfer. So we're going to use some acetone to clean that nozzle and return to that fine mist. When your nozzle is clogged, the adhesive tends to stick together, and instead of getting a fine mist spray, you end up getting water spots, kind of like this. This will ruin your transfer, and it'll cost you ink and paper. So let's talk about how to fix this. So in order to keep our tip nice and clean, all we need is a little bit of acetone and an empty drink bottle. So what we do is just pour a little acetone in the bottle. Take your tip, put it in the acetone, just let it sit overnight, and then about an hour before you're ready to use it, take it out, let it dry completely. So it takes about an hour, and then place it on, and you're ready to go. So now that I have my new tip on here, let me show you the trick I use to Pro Spray all of my items to make sure that I don't get those pesky watermarks. So the first thing that I do is make sure I have my garbage can down, because you don't want to Pro Spray over your floor. It is adhesive. You are going to get sticky on the floor. So I have my garbage there. I'm just going to take my Pro Spray and my image. I'm going to lightly mist my Pro Spray and then drag my image into it. So that ensures that I don't get those watermarks. My image is nice and sticky, and now we're ready to sublimate. I hope you enjoyed my tips and tricks, and as you can see, with just a little bit of time, I'm ensuring that all of my substrates, all of my transfers are looking good, which is going to save me time, it's going to save me money, and overall just make our products look a lot better. I hope you enjoyed this video, and for more tips, products, and services, check out CondeTV.com.